Apple yesterday introduced the iPad mini 7 with a faster A17 Pro chip, Apple Intelligence support, Apple Pencil Pro support, and a handful of other changes. Apple's press release for the device also hints at iOS 18.1's release timing. Here's a question for you. Is it worth upgrading from the iPad mini 6 to the shiny new iPad mini 7? With the iPad mini 7 dropping just in time for Halloween and Black Friday deals already lurking around the corner, this decision is getting trickier than picking a Halloween costume. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving deep into the biggest differences between the iPad mini 7 and the iPad mini 6, so you can make the best choice before you hit buy. Let's get into it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Introducing the Kokushu X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Kokushu. Charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at kokushu.co. Let's back to our video. Now, let me hit you with the first major upgrade, double the storage. Yes, you heard that right. For the same price of $499, Apple's giving you 128 gigabytes of storage on the iPad mini 7. Meanwhile, if you went for the mini 6 at that same price, you only got a measly 64 gigabytes. And let's be real, iPad OS eats up a chunk of that space, so you never even got the full 64 inches. Plus, if colors are your vibe, you now get blue and purple options alongside the classic Starlight and Space Gray. So not only do you get double the space, but you can also make a bold color statement. Purple squad, where you at? All right, storage aside, the real magic happens under the hood. We're talking about the A17 Pro chip powering the iPad mini 7. Now, for those of you into mobile gaming or power-hungry apps, this is huge. The same chip that powers the iPhone 15 Pro Max is now in this mini beast. Apple says the GPU is up to 20% faster than the previous model. So if you're a gamer, an artist, or you just love things running silky smooth, you're going to notice a big difference. I mean, who doesn't love some ray tracing and custom shaders while waiting for their coffee to brew, right? Now, let's talk about Apple Intelligence. This is where the iPad mini 7 gets futuristic. The A17 Pro chip will allow it to support all these cool AI-driven features rolling out in iPad OS 18. Imagine using AI to help edit photos, organize your files, or even help Siri understand you better. Unfortunately, the iPad mini 6's A15 Bionic won't be able to keep up with these new AI tricks. So if you're into Apple's AI features, this is something to think about. Oh, and for my fellow creatives out there, here's something you'll appreciate. The iPad mini 7 now supports the Apple Pencil Pro, which comes with fancy features like haptic feedback and those new squeeze and barrel roll gestures. So now editing and drawing feel a bit more natural. The older mini 6 can still use the regular Apple Pencil, but if you want that premium Pencil Pro experience, the mini 7 is where it's at. So what's the verdict? Should you upgrade from the iPad mini 6 to the mini 7? Well, here's the deal. If you already have the mini 6 and are perfectly happy with its performance, there's no need to rush out and upgrade unless you're super excited about Apple Intelligence or the Apple Pencil Pro. But if you're in the market for a new tablet, the iPad mini 7 is a fantastic deal, especially with those Black Friday discounts rolling in. Double the storage, faster chip, new colors, and AI-powered features. It's a no-brainer. In my opinion and my advice for gamers, the Lenovo Legion Y720/24 is much better choice because it comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and display refresh rate of 165 Hz. So, what do you think? Are you upgrading, or are you sticking with your trusty iPad mini 6? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any more tech breakdowns. Catch you in the next one. Peace.